Chopper Garage. Check out Chopper Garage on YouTube.
Come to Cycle Gear for all your cheap hat needs.
Chopper Garage. Check out Chopper Garage on YouTube and like, share, subscribe, comment, all that shit. Chopper Garage, baby.
What's up, fellas? How you doing?
What's going on, brother?
Hey, Chopper.
What up, bro? Man, what's up, dude? What are you doing?
I bought it. $12.97. That's a crackhead. That's a good deal. Come to Cycle Gear for all your cheap hat needs.
It's not going very well. This bike is very heavy.
Yeah, no, it's not. Just go as slow as you can, okay?
Okay, I will.
All right, good luck.
The motor's still,
what's up, man?
It still ran.
Yeah. be hitting Arizona.
Chug that shit.
Yeah.
What the hell is even that?
I'll show these boys how it's done.
I'm not good at going slow.
No?
No.
Alright. Then just do
These guys are better than me at this.
just do tricks.
Yeah.
Chopper.